Imagine you build a beautiful website, you spend weeks writing articles, you design everything perfectly, but after 3 months you check Google Analytics, only 10 people visit your website. Sounds familiar? The problem is not always the content. The problem is that Google doesn't know who you are, what your website is about. Why should Google show your website to people? And this is exactly where SEO comes in. SEO is not a magic trick. It is a process of teaching search engines. Hey Google, my website has an answer people are searching for. In this video, I will show exactly how to start SEO for a brand new website from zero. No complicated words, no fake promises, just a practical roadmap. So whether you have a blog, business website, or affiliate website, or any online project, this video is for you. First one, understand how Google works. Before doing SEO, you need to understand one simple thing. Google job is not to rank websites. Google job is to give the best answer to the user. For example, someone searches best budget phone under 20,000. Google does not randomly pick websites. It checks which website answers the question best, which website looks trustworthy, which website gives a good experience. Then Google decide rankings. Think of Google like a teacher. If 100 students submit answers, the teacher chooses the most useful and accurate answer. Your website is a student. SEO is improving your answer. Part number 2. Choose your website topic. The biggest mistake beginners make. They create a website about everything. Today, technology, tomorrow, health, next day, finance. Google gets confused. A new website need focus. This is called niche. Example. Bad bad example first. Everything about life. Good personal finance for beginners, or fitness for busy people, or SEO tutorials, or Odisha travel guides. A focused website grow faster because Google understands your authority. Ask yourself who am I helping? What problem am I solving? What topics will I cover? Part number 3, keyword research. Now comes the foundation of SEO. Keywords. A keyword is simply what people type on Google. Example, you write an article about laptops, but people search best laptop for students, not my laptop buying guide. Your job is to find what people already search. Free tools which you can use here. Google search suggestions, Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner, or Answer the Public. Uber suggest look for keywords where people are searching, competition is manageable, you can create better content. For a new website, don't attack huge keywords. Don't start with the best fonts. Millions of websites compete. Start with best fonts under 15,000 for students. Specific keywords are easier. These are called long tail keywords. Now, part 4, website setup for SEO. Before writing content, fix your foundation. Your website should have fast loading speed. Nobody likes slow websites. If your website takes forever to open, people will leave. Google notices this. Second, mobile friendly design. Most people search from phones. Your website must work perfectly on mobile. Third, clean structure. Create categories. Example, website about fitness. Fitness under fitness it comes weight loss, exercise, nutrition. Make it easy for users and Google. Number 4 point. Install important tools. Google Search Console and Google Analytics. This tell you how many people visit, what keywords bring traffic, which pages perform. Part number 5, creating SEO content. Now the most important part, content. But understand this, SEO is not writing more. SEO is writing better. Many beginners do this. Write 100 articles, get no traffic because they focus on quantity. Instead, write fewer but stronger articles a good SEO article has. Strong introduction, don't waste time. Tell the reader you are in the right place. Answer quickly if someone asks how to clean a laptop. Don't write your life story first. Give the solution. Use headings, break content into H1, H2, H3. Make it easy. Add some examples. Examples make content memorable. Update content. Old content becomes outdated. Successful websites improve old articles. Part number 6, on-page SEO. On-page SEO means improving your page. Important things. Title. Instead of my article about SEO, use SEO for beginners complete guide to ranking. Make it clear. Meta description. This is a small text under the Google result. Make people want to click. URLs. Bad URL, let's for example website.com slash page 12345. This is a bad example. Good example website.com slash SEO for beginners. It looks very simple and easy to understand. Images. Don't upload huge images. Compress them. Add some image description to it. Then part 7. Building authority. Any website has one big problem. Google doesn't trust it yet. You need authority one way. Backlinks. A backlink means another website links to your website. Google thinks someone trusted this website, but remember, 100 backlinks are worse than 5 good backlinks. Ways to get backlinks: guest posting, create useful resources, share original research, network with other creators. Part 8. The first 90 days SEO plan. If I started a new website today, month 1, it should be set up website, research keywords, publish 10 quality articles, fix technical issues. Month 2, publish consistently, improve old content, start getting backlinks. Month 3, study search console, double down on what works. SEO rewards patience. Most websites don't fail because SEO doesn't work. They fail because people quit too early. Now the end part. Remember this. SEO is not about tricking Google. It is about becoming the best answer. A small website today can become a trusted website tomorrow. Start small, stay consistent, improve every week. If this video helped you understand SEO, subscribe because I will share more practical and digital growth strategies in coming videos. For the time being, thank you.